everybody. Today we are making ỌKAZI soup. So first of all, I'll introduce the things I'm using for this ỌKAZI soup. I'll introduce my proteins. This is beef ribs. This one is beef ribs. Dry mangala shellfish. Then this is cow foods and shaki. Then this is my ogili. So I'm not going to use all of them for this part of it. And this is my ỌKAZI leaf. This is my thickener, is dry ede. My oil, I'll take some oil from here. Then this are my crayfish, pepper. You don't want it to be very chilly. The pepper is hot already. Then my seasoning and my dry. This is my dry. This is blended. That's good. Yeah, come with me. And salt. I'll add salt too. Let me show the salt. First of all, we'll boil our meat. It's washed already. Boil it. Seasoning for the meat. Then you leave it to boil. Our meat is boiling. We'll add our stockfish. Add some water. This meat is boiled already. It's boiled already, so we'll add it. Soften more. It will melt inside there. Add our blended pepper and crayfish. It's coming out nice. So we'll put this is ogili. Put it one side. Yeah, our soup is coming out nice. Oh, we forgot to put on our periwinkles. This is dry periwinkles. We'll add our seasoning. Add water. This is our ede cocoyam for thickening. We use water to, it was in powder form. You use water to soften it. Then add it. This is our fish washed. Wash it with warm water to get the sand or whatever. Seasoner, then leave it to boil. So our ỌKAZI soup is ready. boiling. Oh.
This is ỌKAZI soup.
Yeah, this is our ỌKAZI soup. It's a boiling thing. Look about bola. So this is our ỌKAZI soup. You eat with any swallow of your choice. I'm eating with the swallow.